Okay, you have seen us unbox the pink Nike Air Zoom Pulse. We got the black ones in, so we're going to unbox those right now for everyone to see. Same sort of deal, right? I mean, the waterproof up front on the top here, anti-slip, right? That's for what did they say? For full rubber outer sole, durable and designed to displace water and give you traction on wet surfaces. I don't want to know what kind of wet surfaces you have there in the hospital. Anyway, this part right here, we noticed this on the pink ones too. This was the waterproof part. I have a feeling that this is all very waterproof as well, all the way up to here. This is way more of that kind of synthetic upper that they talked about. Very washable. I think you know, if you spill something on this, someone else spills something on this, you know, you could wipe it off pretty easily. This I thought was the most fun, and the pink is just like this as well. This is not going to come off. I bet it's very easy to get on, but this is pulled so tight here that it pulls it straight down. So that's going to grip your foot pretty good as you wear them. I would love to know, and I can't wait till we'll announce the winners here in a couple of days, if these really are legit, if these actually do work better than some of the more popular brands for nurses and techs and therapists that they would wear every single day. Make sure that you check out the other videos, the unboxing video we did for the pink version, and then we released a podcast as well when they announced these, kind of just talking through different kinds of shoes for healthcare professionals, and we'll see if these stand up.